Oh man, we out here trying to take care of this tree. I'm gonna have to walk away from it just till the ground thaws off. And I have to cut it up, get a dumpster, or get my dumpster, rent the equipment to get these pieces out. Those are the pieces I worry about. Big piece. It's big. Been in here for an hour cutting this half. So I cut that half down. So I'm kind of almost at the halfway point, you know. I don't know. I'll see if I could have done it for him. I told him that it wasn't enough. And now that I get here and I'm at it, it could take me 2 days, a day, a good hard day, or a day, some changes to cut and see what we have. Let me cut that half and see how heavy those pieces are gonna be. Alrighty, I just kept on cutting and cutting. From that corner to this side. So I might take another piece off, but that's all they get, and it's shot back up. Kind of knew I was gonna do that, but I might just leave it just like that. And I gotta trail all those. Got a wheelbarrow over there. Now I could get 3 of these in a wheelbarrow. So that'll be one. I might have to do those one by one. But I put 3 in that wheelbarrow. So 3, I just start doing piles and piles until I get tired. It's better than me running a dinghy for 4 holidays. They're gonna have to deliver it because it is what it is. If I could bring it all here. Usually I think about if I have to rent a dinghy or whatever to pick up all that shit. Either I rent the machinery or I rent the guys to do it for the cost of the machinery. So it is what it is. But I'm gonna start taking a couple here because once I get my dump trailer, I can start loading up. I'm gonna see what I have to do. All right, so I put it all, whole tree's gone. I put it all right here. If I could back up, if I could bring my dump trailer back up and load all the stuff in. Same thing with, I pushed it all to the street for tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll come, load all this stuff up, and be on my way. One man with the heart of a lion, just trying to stay alive.